We will cover how to buy shares of Essential Utilities, Inc., a U.S. water and wastewater services company. Essential Utilities trades on NASDAQ under the ticker WTRG, and this video is for educational purposes only. You need a broker to buy shares. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify the account, usually by uploading an ID, and you will need to add funds before making a purchase. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker WTRG to locate the Essential Utilities listing. Make sure you select the matching NASDAQ result for the correct company. On the stock page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm you have the right asset. Check the listing details and recent price history before proceeding. Tap Invest. Choose the amount or number of shares, review the order details, and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, the order will queue as a pending market order, and if there are not enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio after the trade executes. Find the link to eToro in the video description if you want to follow the same steps.